Welcome to this guided cord-cutting meditation. So please find a comfortable and quiet space where you can sit or lie down without any distractions. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. With each breath, allow your body to relax. As you continue to breathe, bring your awareness to the person you wish to release. Visualize the connection you have with them as a cord. Acknowledge this connection, but recognize that it's time to let go for your own well-being. See this cord in your mind's eye. What does it look like? What color is it? Take a moment to fully visualize it. Noticing its texture and how it feels in your energy field. This cord represents the attachment you wish to release. Now imagine yourself holding a pair of powerful scissors. With focused intention, feel the energy of this connection as you prepare to cut. As you take a deep breath in, gather your strength and commitment to release this attachment. When you exhale, cut through the cord with determination. Watch as it snaps apart. Freeing you from this bond. Observe the two pieces of the cord as they separate. Watch them dissolve into the earth beneath you. Being absorbed and purified by Mother Nature. Imagine the energy of that connection fading away. Leaving you feeling lighter and more at ease. Take a moment to feel the liberation that comes with this release. You are free from that attachment, and you can feel the weight lifting off your shoulders. Allow yourself to embrace this newfound lightness. Now visualize a beautiful healing light descending from the heavens. This light is warm, radiant, and full of love. See it flowing down toward you. Entering your body through the crown of your head. As this healing light fills you, feel it purifying your mind, body, and soul. It cleanses you of any residue energy from the past connection. Allow this light to wash over you, bringing peace and clarity. Take a moment to appreciate this healing. Feel gratitude for the blessing of being cleared and healed. You are now free to embrace new opportunities and experiences in your life, unburdened by past attachments. As you breathe in this healing light, let it fill every part of your being. With each exhale, release any remaining negativity or heaviness. When you feel ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Gently open your eyes. Take a moment to honor this process of release and healing. You are free, and you carry this lightness and clarity with you as you move forward in life.